If you're on a travel blog and you want to go and diversify your income, you can do the right place. I prepare many affiliate programs that every single travel blogger should consider. They are all from different categories, so everybody watching this video can find something new for them. The first one is going to be Get Your Guide. Now, there are many essentials when it comes to travel affiliates, such as flights or hotel accommodations. But there is also one common thing when people are traveling. They want to go and do some activities in that place. And that's exactly what Get Your Guide is specializing in. Get Your Guide is basically a marketplace for all of the activities that are accessible in that area. So you can simply go to this website, put up the travel location you are in or you're writing about, and find some cool activities. For example, we're going to go to Porto and find some additional activities. We can go and put on our blog post about traveling to Porto and activities they can do there. Currently, they are offering 8% commission with 30 days cookies, and this price can grow up to 12% for successful bloggers. So if you have some content about some activities inside some specific place, definitely consider going with getyourguide.com. Now, if you have more adventure-seeking audience, you may want to go and consider Manawa.com, which is basically the same thing that Get Your Guide, but they are specializing in more adrenaline-style activities. So once again, we're gonna go and put Porto inside our search, and we can find many different stuff such as surfing, skydiving, and kayaking, or even quad tours, which is more for younger, more adventure-seeking audience. So definitely keep that in mind when choosing your activities. What is actually your audience and how can you serve their needs the best? But they are also offering affiliate programs, so you will have no problem choosing between those two. Next affiliate program is pretty straightforward. It's rentcar.com, and what they are providing is obviously they will rent you a car. Now, the good part about this program is that people don't like to go blindly into airports and rent their car there, because what can happen is they can be all out of the good cars and you will be stuck with something you don't actually need or is way too pricey for your budget. So many people tend to go and pre-order those vehicles online, and you can go and serve this need with this affiliate program. They will also offer you great services for travelers. For example, you can go and pick up specific location and they will compare all of the prices in order to give you the best price possible, which is great because your readers or viewers will actually go and save money, and that's something you definitely want to go and do as a travel blogger. Now remember, the longer the rent will be, the more you can earn, and Rent-A-Car actually has two affiliate options. You can go to rentacar.com itself and they will provide you 40% cut of their own cut. So you are not getting it from this price, you are actually getting it from their cut, because the majority of this money will go to the actual car provider, the company that is renting the car, and rental car will take a small cut and they will give you even smaller cut of that cut. But if you don't like this, you can go through our CJ affiliate and get 6% commission of the entire price, which can be much better for someone looking in that. Now, their biggest competition is probably Discover Car, and they have also awesome affiliate program. And the best part about them is that they have 365-day cookie duration, which is a lot, and you can also make money on their insurance that comes with the car. So big thumbs up for that. Now for our next affiliate program, we're gonna kind of stay in a range of cars, and our next one is Outdoorsy. They're specializing in renting RVs. Now we already know that RVs became very popular in the last few years, mainly thanks to the social media, but many people, maybe like you and me, we don't want to go through whole stuff of renovating something or buying super expensive car. We just want to have that experience of driving in RV and staying there for a few weeks maybe. Well, there's a good option, because Outdoorsy is a peer-to-peer marketplace that solves this exact problem. They are connecting RV owners and people who want to rent them into one place, so that you don't need to spend a lot of money on RVs, and you can actually earn pretty good commissions. Currently, they will offer you 5% from the entire stay, which can be a lot of money because people are renting it for not only 1 week, but sometimes even for months. And plus, additional great news for you is that they are currently offering $7 bonus if you go and bring someone with RV to create an account and start renting it. So you don't only need to target people that want to rent RV, but people that already has RV and you want to go and show them the way how they can increase their earnings, which is a great opportunity for you. If you live one of those cities, you should definitely consider going with the CityPass affiliate program. This should be really must-have if you are writing about those locations, because what CityPass is offering is a discounted prices for the most visited places in that area. So for example, if you're writing about New York, you can go and pick CityPass for New York, and they are actually offering better prices on the most popular visits there are. So for example, access to Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, 9/11 Memorial, Guggenheim Museum, and so much more into one single place, which is better price, people will save money, you can promote them, and you can actually go and earn pretty good commission of 6% with cookie duration of 90 days. Now, once again, this should be really easy sell if you're writing about those areas, because people can save money and it's really good product. I personally gonna use it when I'm gonna go and travel to New York. Our next affiliate program is Priority Pass, and this is the great way to diversify your affiliate income, not only from casual travelers but also for business travelers, because they are traveling all year around. And this Priority Pass membership will allow them access to over 1,300 special airport lounges. So if somebody reading your blog is a frequent traveler, they can really find this program to be very useful for them. Now, the best part about this program is that they are not settled in one location. They have locations everywhere, not only in classics like North America or Europe, but also Middle East, Africa, Asia and Pacific, South America. So basically they are everywhere. And this is a great opportunity for travelers all around the world, because they can go and enjoy those lounges. Now, the price for those lounges currently ranges from $89 to $359, and they are offering you 10% commission with 90-day cookie duration, which, if you have a lot of frequent travelers, is a good chunk of money you can make and help frequent travelers get better airport experience. The next affiliate program is Wise, also previously known as TransferWire. Now, if you have a lot of people traveling a lot of countries, you already know that exchanging currency can be a big problem, and you can actually lose a lot of money by exchanging frequently. So that's exactly where Wise comes in. They're making it really easy to go and exchange money without losing that much money on exchange rates. So if you have readers like digital nomads that are traveling all over the world and they need to exchange currency frequently, this can be a great opportunity for them to save some money and have this awesome banking service for them. Also, good stuff for you is that this service is not related only to travel holidays, but also for business travelers. So you can make money not only in the peak of the traveling season, but all year around. Now, currently they are offering £10 for every new customer and £50 if they go and make a business account with cookie duration of 90 days. Now, also, it wouldn't be a complete video if we wouldn't go and touch on hotels, because Booking.com is one of my favorites. They are overall the biggest site when it comes to accommodation and traveling, and I think definitely you should go and consider starting up with them. They are well known around the world and everybody uses them around the world, and they have also so many options. They are not only focusing on hotels, they also have hostels, apartment, airbed and breakfast. They have basically everything you need as a traveler in one single location. And I personally use them even on my own traveling, because they have so many great options. Now, the affiliate range is somewhere between 25 to 35% of Booking's cut. So it's not an entire price, but it's what Booking get for promoting them, and you will get small cut of that, but it can still be a good amount of money, because basically everyone that travels already knows this platform. They have hundreds and hundreds of millions visitors every single month. So that's one of the reasons you should definitely go and promote it. Once again, if you don't like this cut of a cut, you can go with CJ Affiliate and they will give you 4% commission of the price itself. So you don't need to go and think about cuts. And if your audience is cautious about their money and they basically cannot afford to spend that much money on hotel rooms, you can definitely go and promote something like hostelworld.com. They also have awesome affiliate program, and they are specializing in hostels, which are cheaper way of staying somewhere, and especially for frequent travelers, digital nomads and solo travelers, hostels are great options. With the next affiliate program, I personally don't have any experience, and it's travel insurance. I heard many people that there's one of the best traveling affiliate programs, so if travel insurance is something that will fit good to your content, definitely consider it because you can make some good money. And travel insurance is something that many people use. I personally use it always when I'm traveling, so there's a huge market for it. Also, air travel providers are one of the best. I personally love Kiwi.com and Flyscanner.net. Those are the best because they are providing cheapest prices by far, and I personally have great experience using them. So if you want to go and promote flights, you can definitely go and check those too. If you have some good ideas on affiliate programs for travel bloggers, definitely leave them in comments because I want to know what you think. And if you want to see more ways how to go and monetize your online content, definitely subscribe because I'm gonna make a lot of videos about this. This is everything and goodbye.